Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta yellow updated. Begin by choosing semolina or all-purpose flour, then add egg yolks or turmeric for color, and mix to a smooth dough. Rest for 30 minutes before rolling thin and cutting. Use 1 yolk per 100 g flour for deep color and a pinch of salt. Knead until elastic, and cook 2 to 3 minutes in boiling salted water. Start with basic ingredients and adjust for color and texture. Use semolina for yellow hue and bite, or all-purpose with extra yolks for tenderness. For intense color, add a small pinch of turmeric or 1 tablespoon of saffron infused in warm water. Measure carefully. 100 g flour to 1 egg yolk yields bright color, while a tablespoon of olive oil softens dough and improves elasticity when kneading. Resting improves flavor and makes rolling easier. Quick recommendation: if you like small comforts when cooking, try Darn Tough Socks for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty, which feels oddly rewarding while kneading dough. If this content is helping, please subscribe and like to support more tips and recipes. Look in the description for the product link and other deals I mentioned, so you can grab a pair if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Roll dough thinly for quick cooking and even color absorption. Dry pasta briefly before cooking to firm texture, and boil in plenty of salted water. If using turmeric, balance with black pepper to enhance flavor. For natural yellow, use extra yolks and rest dough overnight for better hydration. Cut shapes consistently and cook 2 to 3 minutes for fresh pasta, then toss with sauce immediately. Store unused fresh pasta in the fridge up to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.